The most expensive thing in AI right now, it's not the model, it's not the API cost, it's not even your seat-based subscription you might be paying for. It's the 45 minutes your team loses every single day trying to give their favorite LLM the context that your CRM already has. My name is Dylan Andersen. I'm an Agentforce solution engineer working out of our Irvine office, and I want to show you something to hopefully answer that big question here in just a couple minutes. This is Agentforce Workspace. Think of it as your AI analyst that lives inside of Salesforce. It's got full access to your CRM, your pipeline, Data 360, all of it. There's no connectors to configure, there's no MCP, no API, no data to export, and certainly no data to copy paste into a third-party chatbot. I'm going to ask it a question here because I see that all my favorite models are here. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to go. I'm going to find out where my account's credit consumption is happening. And take a look at what's happening on the right. The agent's checking my profile, my permissions. It's querying Data 360. It's pulling in live data in real time from Amazon Redshift via zero copy federation. There's no ETL happening here. There's no data movement. And if I want to, I can take a look at those exact records that are coming over from my customers' credit consumption. If I want to see what I'm exactly looking at, I can click into that exact DLO and see everything that's going on. Pretty useful. But as the agent comes back with a response here, it's going to take all of this rich data that's not living in Salesforce, but in Redshift, and analyze it for me. And so as I see here, it looks like this customer is doing really good. They're consuming quite a bit, which is great. I'm not much of a text person. I like visuals, and I can see graphs here that I can change to make sure they fit my needs. Now, if I go down and I ask a follow-up question and I say, hey, you know what, compare this to another account, the agent's going to hold context here. It's going to make sure that this side-by-side comparison is going to be really valuable for me. So let's give the agent a moment to do this. All right, and we've got this really great summary of exactly what's happening between these two accounts. I can see that Summit is actually a much higher consuming account, and I probably want to spend a little bit more time there. Agentforce is giving me recommendations on what to do next. And again, I've got visualizations that can show me this from a high level as well. Pretty useful. So here's why all this matters. If I took this same question to an external AI tool, I'd have to give it nearly a perfect prompt. I'd have to hope it doesn't hallucinate my account names, and I'd have to really hope it understands the ontology of my Salesforce org and my Data 360 instance. But with Agentforce, the AI is grounded in your real data. It's governed by that security model that you've already set up. It's working with any of the models that you want it to, and it lives right where your team is already doing work. That's the difference between AI as a really cool science project and AI as a business tool with real outcomes. Thanks for watching.